Alarm or Tehran? Is Tehran targeting the White House?
Anti.
A United States show of force to pressure.
Morale of the Iranian regime.
It appears to have caused a reaction that paralyzed the leadership.
Tehran.
Through the most official
1,000 representatives of the Revolutionary Guards.
Made a direct and unprecedented threat.
Targeting the advisor.
Subtitles.
Author wave. He said that if the war starts,
it won't be limited geographically.
Boundaries of the Middle East?
Don't
make the mistake
to believe that you are safe
behind your oceans if
you dare
to attack us.
The answer will be given where
you least expect it. We have the capability and will
to strike at the heart of the American
arrogance, Lepton, himself, as he specifically mentioned.
Shocking
announcement. Security analysts and terrorism experts
decode the
specific threat,
not necessarily as a warning.
A missile strike on Washington, something that is technically extremely difficult,
but as an activation of the doctrine of asymmetric warfare.
The scenarios they are considering,
the American
intelligence agencies,
include sleeper activation,
targeted mass cyber attacks, and targeted strikes.
Al-Jolani's jihadists were celebrating the
entry into a Kurdish city when suddenly everything went dark. A Syrian, former jihadist,
of the so-called
Syrian government forces.
He spoke arrogantly.
Subtitles by Author Wave.
Subtitles by Author Wave.
Subtitles, Author Wave.
But it was tragic not only for him but for everyone around him, since a medium-sized
Kurdish drone
targeted and blew them up,
killing everyone.
It's possible that the Kurds located the target through accounts on the live broadcast and decided to make it truly explosive.
As the attacks escalate and a siege is imposed on the Kurdish areas of Syria by America through mercenaries of the interim government, the
Egyptian
political forces
expressed broad condemnation
of the military escalation,
warning about the humanitarian
and political consequences of it, calling for urgent international intervention
to put an end
to the attacks,
the protection
of civilians, and
the safeguarding of their rights. Subtitles
Author Wave.
Subtitles Author Wave. Expressing hope
that the
agreement will be a significant step towards the beginning of a comprehensive
political process that
will include all Syrian aspects. Subtitles Author Wave.
Subtitles Author Wave. A page in the political history of modern Turkey is being written these days,
mainly led by the mayor
of Istanbul and main political rival of Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Ekrem İmamoğlu. As the legal troubles of the popular mayor continue, reports and information
reveal that
the deep state of Ankara
is not satisfied
only through legal maneuvers,
but also humbly turns
to instincts and nationalist reflexes to politically destroy him. The new weapon in the prosecutors' and propaganda mechanisms' arsenal is not some corruption scandal, but
his origin
of İmamoğlu. The accusation takes
Greek
roots, returns to the forefront, not as a historical element,
but as a serious accusation equivalent to treason in tourism rhetoric.
According to
what they see,
the spotlight,
prosecutorial circles and newspapers close to the government, media are trying to link İmamoğlu with the Hellenism of Pontus, using the term Greek or Pontian in a derogatory conspiratorial way.
The narrative being built
is specific and
dangerous. The Trojan horse İmamoğlu
is presented not as a
Turkish patriot,
but as a secretive person,
a crypto-Christian or crypto-Greek who
has infiltrated
into the Turkish state
to serve foreign
interests, and
specifically the interests of Greece
and the West. The fact that İmamoğlu comes from Trabzon, is one.
An area with a long-standing Greek history is used as proof of his non-Turkish identity.
His wars,
They mention genealogy,
trees, and conspiracy theories, which claiming that the ancestors
were Greek,
who converted to Islam, apparently every contact of Mayor DeMarcos,
with the ecumenical patriarch,
Bartholomeos,
is translated
by his accusers
as evidence of the secret,
of his agenda for
the revival
of Byzantium within Constantinople. Why now? Fear of the ballot box? The timing of this attack is not accidental. Ekremi İmamoğlu
is considered the only politician who can look Recep in the eye,
Tayyip Erdoğan and
defeat him in an election.
the natives of the Virgin Islands,
Warn the
Greenlanders,
about the consequences.
from the United States Purchase, citizens from the
Parthinis.
islands
Alert the public
of Greenland to
not permit annexation
of their nation to the United States.
because they experience the consequences firsthand.
In 1917,
The United States of America
bought the islands of St. Thomas, St. Croix, and St. John from the Kingdom of Denmark,
forming,
together with other islands,
well known to all of us, American Virgin Islands.
the three islands they bought
The Americans about
years ago still have the scent of debt. As you well know,
the American
President Donald Trump
is negotiating a similar one today.
agreement with Denmark for
The exploitation of Greenland, a country that is part of the Kingdom of Denmark.
given that
A historian with
roots from the Virgin Islands.
sends a warning.
Message to the Greenlanders to
Reject outright any,
agreement for
not to meet the same fate as this,
its people. I understand the Greenlanders' situation.
because the same
Exactly.
happened as well.
To my ancestors, said Kalana Brown, adding that she doesn't.
Want anyone else to go through it again.
According to her, after the purchase of the islands in 17 for $25 million,
The Americans began
immediately their militarization.
fearing that an export
Hostile European country, e.g. Germany, would
try to weave them,
snatch them by force. Thus, the American Navy
built a powerful,
aeronautical base on the islands,
which served as a center for all military,
operations in the Caribbean, although the facility
is said to have had many negative
consequences for the locals. It was closed permanently in 1948. Since then, he said,
The Virgin Islands gained tourist interest and the Americans turned them into a luxurious vacation destination.
nevertheless,
The locals seem to have never,
had a reason
for the decisions about the
future of their islands. That was the video. Hope you liked it. You can subscribe to the channel for
to get notified.
every new one.
Don't forget,
To leave us comments.
with your opinion.